Now, one of the things we get asked quite a bit on the channel is how to go through a lock. Now, for the more experienced boater, it's not such a big deal, but if you're new to boating or it's something you've never done before, it can be a little bit daunting. So today, we're going to film how a boat goes through a lock, going downstream and going upstream. Welcome to It's a Boat Thing. So Technical. The operation of the lock is pretty much straightforward. The idea being that we take a boat from one end and we put it out through the other. In this instance, the water being down, we're going to bring a boat in, bring it up, put it out through the upstream gate. Let's see how we get on. Now, a principal part of getting water into the lock is by means of this lock gate, and the operation for that going up and going down is controlled by this cabinet, and we'll look in there in a while to show you the operation on the buttons for that. If we can do that with the downstream gates and the slackers controlling what goes out of the lock, it means we can put the boats up and down through the lock under control. See how we get on and look at the operation on the downstream side. So this is the downstream lock gates. Pulled this one across just so you can see it, but of course the one from the other side comes across too. Once that gate at the other end is lifted, that lets the water in, but to let the water out we use these are the slackers, and just here is the handle that your winding handle will go on to raise or to lower that gate to control the water coming in and out. And let's not forget, once you've finished with the gate, put these slackers back down and it's all ready for the next boat to come along. As we're here at the moment and filming this, there is a boat arriving at the upstream end of the lock. So the first thing we need to do is shut the downstream gates, making sure that all the slackers are closed.
Got my dreams in my pocket, everything feels right. With laughter in my heart, I'm free like a bird.
To fill the lock, we open the cabinet next to the guillotine gate at the upstream end and let the water in. There is a delay of around 4 to 6 minutes depending on which lock you're at, and then the gate can be fully raised to let the boats in. Obviously, then closing the gate behind them.
Come sing along. In this beautiful life we all belong.
The slackers on the downstream gates are then opened, slowly so as to control the water going out to lower the boats. Make sure your ropes are slack enough to allow the boats to lower and not get snagged along the way. Once the water on each side is equalised, to allow the opening of the gates so the boats can exit. Making sure the slackers are closed, ready for the next boat cruise coming through.
Laughter in my heart, I'm free like a bird. Clouds may come, but I won't let them stay. I'll keep shining my light, chase the gray away. In the ups and downs, I find my way. With love as my guide, I'll dance through the night. So here's to the moments, let them roll. Living life fully, it fills up my soul. Ta-da-da-da-da, come sing along. In this beautiful life we all belong.
As the boats leave, watch out on the exit as there may be boats waiting to come in. Don't forget to take your cabinet keys and don't forget your winding hand.
Life's good, I feel wonderful. Every moment's a gift, oh it's so beautiful. Got my dreams in my pocket, everything feels right. With laughter in my heart, I'm free like a bird. Clouds may come, but I won't let them stay. I'll keep shining my light, chase the gray away. In the ups and downs, I find my way. With love as my guide, I'll dance through the night. So here's to the moments, let them roll. Living life fully, it fills up my soul. Ta-da-da-da-da, come sing along. In this beautiful life we all belong.
Make sure all the boats have left before you enter the lock, and enter the lock slowly. If there is more than one boat to moor, you must try and fit everybody in, but don't put too many boats in that it overcrowds the lock. A good tip is also to try and position near to the ladder so you can get up onto the side.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Got my dreams in my pocket, everything feels right. With laughter in my heart, I'm free like a bird. Clouds may come, but I won't let them stay. I'll keep shining my light, chase the gray away. In the ups and downs, I find my way. With love as my guide, I'll dance through the night. So here's to the moments, let them roll. Living life fully.
Close the downstream gates, and when you're ready, walk to the other end and operate the guillotined lock gate. But only do this once you have checked that all the boat crews in the lock are ready, as the water can rush in and maybe catch one or two of them by surprise. Always raise or open the gates fully. There's nothing worse than turning up to a lock, the gate's half opened, and you have to moor up, go to the lock, operate it, get the gate lifted properly until you can enter. Exit in turn, allowing the boat in front to clear before you follow and continue on your journey.
So here's to the moments, let them roll. Living life fully, it fills up my soul. Ta-da-da-da-da, come sing along. In this beautiful life we all belong.
So today at Houghton Lock, I'm here with the EA volunteers. This is John, this is Sue. Why do you do this?
It's good fun. It's a good service to the people who are on the river. And I think the EA value it because it's a good promotional tool. It means that people are being welcomed in on a busy day.
I've got to say, when we put our boat through here, you guys are here, we think, oh, great. That's a lot less work for us. That's such a massive help to us.
Yeah.
And I guess that's what you guys get
Yeah.
out of it as well.
Yeah, and on a busy day, you've got a mixture of people. You've got people with expensive cruisers that they own. You've got day boaters. You've got people with narrow boats, broad boats. So, you know, it's a real mixture of people. I think it helps sort out what's going on.
I think so. So thank you to John and Sue and all the boats that we've put through the lock today to show you how to do this. As always, if you like what you see, please comment below. The subscribe button is over here in the corner. And we'll see you guys next time.